I'm John.
And I'm Karen.
We put solar on our house because it made a lot of sense. We did a lot of investigating, and here in Ashcroft, we get a lot of sun. And our house is nicely positioned for a solar exposure, so it really worked out well. We ran the numbers, and with assistance from various levels of government, it made it a no-brainer. We're very pleased with the performance. It's been running over 6 months, and we're generating more power than we use, which is the whole point, right? We've got a very good friend that actually put in solar when you guys were first getting started, and he gave me a lot of pointers. He's totally off-grid, and is very pleased with the service he got from Riverside, so it made sense to go with Riverside. Connected with Lane at Riverside, and he was very professional and answered all our questions, and just a great guy.
And nothing was high pressure about it. Just gave us all the info and let us make our own decision.